back to Laila Some Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make popcorn chicken. So quick and easy to make. I'm gonna take you with ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need boneless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, buttermilk, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic. This is just garlic, crushed garlic, about 1 teaspoon. That is for the marination. And then for the coating I have all-purpose flour, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, paprika powder, cayenne pepper, baking powder. This is onion powder. And then so first thing I'm gonna do is just take a spoon, and these are the coating, so we can just mix this and set this on a side. That is done. And then to the chicken we're gonna add all of these, and then the buttermilk, and then we're just gonna mix everything. And then this can go in the fridge for half an hour to an hour, and then we're gonna move forward. My chicken was resting for an hour in the fridge, and now it's time to coat them. I'm just gonna take a spoon and then just drop all the liquid, and then put your chicken pieces, put around like few at a time, into your coating, your seasoning flour, and then just coat them well into the seasoning flour. Set them all on a tray, just like that. And then in the meantime you can preheat your oil over medium high heat. Alright, so we are done here. Everything has been cooked well. I'm gonna go wash my hand, clean up my counter, and then this will be ready to go fry them. Oil preheated already, and now we're just gonna put one by one of the popcorn chicken into the hot oil, and this will fry super quick, so you may keep an eye on it. Have your tray ready with a paper towel. Have a slotted spoon and a fork, or you can just use a tongue. This has to be done very quickly. We're gonna turn it right away, and I'm gonna fry this into batches. This will take just about 3 minutes to fry, and I'm on my second batches right now. I have one more batch to go. Let's drain the oil well. On a plate. Okay guys, my popcorn chicken, they are all ready. They looks good, it smells good. They are very hot in here. They are very hot right now. They just came out from the oil, and the written ingredient will be in the description box. This will be served on a side, Cajun fries and a salad. And they are all homemade. Cajun fries is homemade, salad is homemade. Let me know if you did like this video and try it. Let me know how did it turn. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.